welcome back to my channel, The Life of Brooke. So today I'm going to be playing with my mango smoothie slime and my red icy slime. It's just over here. You can't see it. But so I have my mango smoothie up here, and I have some squishies in here. These are like my licensed squishies, or squishies with packaging. And there is a new squishy in here, so you will see that in another video. So I'm just outside of my front porch. So this slime is like an orangish color, a little more of a peach color, and then it has a yellow and a yellowish orange and a magenta pink in there. So it's super stretchy, makes the best bubbles. Let me just make some bubbles with it. And if you keep doing this for a while, I'm not going to do it for a long time, you know, since this would be a long video if I always did that, you know. So, makes the most amazing bubble pops. So, I'm still going. Sorry. This one is really bubble poppy, and it's really nice. Sorry. And I'll just make a swirl, and I like this because you can see what I'm doing. You can see the slime. You can see where I'm at. Well, of course, you can see me when I'm in my room. But let me take the lid off real quick. Oh, here's the new squishy. Take some of these squishies out. Now it won't be see? But yeah, this is my mango smoothie slime. So this is white Elmer's glue activated with borax. Food coloring, I used orange and yellow, and I think a little bit of red, and my dog is barking right now. Maggie, come here! Come here! Maggie, come! This is my dog, Maggie. Okay, go lay down. Maggie, go lay down now. Go lay down. She does not know what slime is. Shh. Sorry she's being so noisy today. Maggie! Quiet! There's a dog. And this just makes the best swirls. Sorry about the background noise. I have dog slobber on me now, but I'm wearing my Beatles shirt from my Beatles concert. We sang some Beatles songs, so it doesn't really sound that great, but we sang Let It Be, Yellow Submarine, trying to think of a few other ones. I'm blanking. It's the one where it's oh my god, I am totally blanking. But yeah, we sing a few songs. Those are the only ones I can think of. I almost had a speaking part. I was the understudy. My mom's just watering, so you'll hear some water. But I was the understudy for all the speaking parts. So we thought somebody wasn't going to be there, but she came. She happens to have a Papazu pop-pop sheep. But there's a full bead. literally the best squirrels. That was not good. Oh. I think that's enough 5 minutes on this slime. 5 minutes and 26 seconds. So now we have my red icy. This I think is a cloud cream. Well, it's an icy slime, but I call it cloud cream. This one is actually like really sticky to this, so. And let me show you what I mean. It like lifts this up. And I cannot like do this because, well, now it's fine, but. So, here's the slime, just red icy slime. It feels really weird. I could not stop playing with this the other day. Yeah, as I said, it was like really sticky, so it like lifts the container up. But, so yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed. Bye!